In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to give Xero access. Giving a teammate, accountant, or contractor the right level of access in Xero keeps your books secure and your workflows moving. Before we begin, sign into the correct Xero organization with an account that has permission to manage users. From your Xero dashboard, look to the top of the screen and click your name. This opens a quick menu with options related to your account and organization. Next, choose Settings. Settings is where you control how your organization works in Xero, including user management. In Settings, open Users. The Users page shows everyone who currently has access, their roles, and the status of any invitations you've sent. Select Invite a User. This starts a new invitation and lets you decide exactly what the person can see and do. Enter the person's first name. Accurate details help you identify users later and keep audit trails clear. Enter their last name as well. Match the name to how they're known on your team to avoid confusion. Type their email address. Use a work email you know they can access and double check for typos. If the address is wrong, they won't receive the invite. Now, choose permissions. You can grant access to projects, payroll admin, and business and accounting. Projects let someone create and manage project tasks and costs, which is helpful for job tracking and profitability. Payroll admin allows management of payroll information and pay runs, so reserve it for people who handle sensitive payroll data. Business and accounting determines access to core accounting features like bank reconciliation, bills, invoices, reports, and the chart of accounts. Stick to the principle of least privilege. Only enable what this person truly needs today. You can always broaden their access later. As you click Options, skim the short descriptions Xero provides to confirm you're selecting the right combination. When everything looks correct, select Send Invite. Xero will email the person a secure link to accept and set up their access. The invitation will appear on the user's page with a pending status until they accept. If necessary, you can resend or cancel the invite from the same page. That's it. You clicked your name, opened Settings, went to Users, invited a user, added their details, selected the right permissions, and sent the invite. With the right roles in place, your team can work efficiently while your financial data stays protected. If this was helpful, follow along for more quick Xero how-tos.